Welcome to an overview on the Ameriplan Dental Plus program. It includes dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic plan, all for only $19.95 a month for a whole household, even if the last names are different. Ameriplan is not insurance. Ameriplan is the largest discount fee for service program of its type in the country. Our track record of success in providing access to affordable discount healthcare speaks for itself. We know our business. Ameriplan has saved its customer base hundreds of millions of dollars since 1992. We contract directly with the providers to provide you, the customer, with the largest amount of savings. With over 75,000 dentists, we are the largest dental plan of its type. There is no paperwork. You just show a membership card, kind of like a Sam's Club or Costco, and you get the benefit. There's no waiting period, so you don't need to wait 6 months or to get your teeth cleaned like insurance, or 12 months before they'll do any work. You can get on our plan and go right away. There's no limit on any visits or services, so we don't have a restriction of only covering $1,000 or $1,500 worth of work. You can get as much work done as you need. There's no age restrictions, and ongoing dental problems are accepted. So if you need a root canal or a crown or even just a filling or braces, you can have that done with us. Now, you can go to any dentist at any time. So if you want to go to one dentist at one time, maybe it's closer to your work, and then another dentist, maybe one closer to your home. You can pick any dentist, and we are nationwide, so you can go to any of our participating providers nationwide. Now, this plan includes oral exams, x-ray, teeth cleanings, fillings and crowns, orthodontics, not just for children, but also adults. Cosmetic dentistry is included. You'll never find that on an insurance plan. And specialists. Now, if you look over here to the right, this is a fee schedule to give you an idea of what the costs would be with Ameriplan. Now, the first column here, that's based on the American Dental Association. Now, some dentists might be a little bit higher and some might be a little bit lower. Now, if you look at an initial oral exam, that's the first time you go see a dentist. They charge a little bit more because they have to set up your files. Without Ameriplan, the dental office visit would be $120. But an Ameriplan member only pays $32. That's a 73% savings. Now, once you've established the relationship, it's called a periodic oral exam. That's $68 without Ameriplan, but as an Ameriplan member, you pay $13. That's an 81% reduction in the cost. That is a huge number. X-rays, instead of $167 for a full set, it's only $50 on Ameriplan. That's a 70% savings. And a teeth cleaning, which would be normally $117 at a dentist without any plan, it's $46. Now, that's a 61% savings. If you just went and got this periodic oral exam, this x-ray, and this teeth cleaning, that would be $352. But with the Ameriplan, it's only $109. So you can choose to, like I might say, it could be rip-off retail rates, or you can pay Ameriplan membership rates and get that reduced fee rate from the buying power from all of our members of happy customers that all combine to give the better prices. Now, our fillings, instead of $182, is $45. Instead of $209 for a composite, it's $70. Root canal, instead of $933, that's $375. That's a 60% savings. And that porcelain crown is $1408. It'd be $550 in Ameriplan. Now, that's the most expensive crown. There aren't ones that are less. We cover everything from A to Z, everything that can be done in your mouth. Now, but that's a 61% savings. Well, we can save you more money, especially if you're getting a lot of work done. Now, our orthodontics for children, the average price these days is about $6,200. With a Ameriplan member, pays $2,250. That is a 64% savings. That's thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of savings. Look at an adult from $6,518 to $2,400. I'm going to say this to you. If all you got with this great plan was just a dental plan for the cost of $19.95, this is a great deal. Now we're going to go into all the extra benefits that you receive at no additional cost. We have a prescription card that is included, whether you have insurance or not. Sometimes insurance companies don't cover everything that you get prescribed, and so it's a great supplement. But if you don't have a program, this can be really a lot of savings for you. We have over 56,000 participating retail and independent pharmacy locations, places such as like Walgreens, Walmart, Kmart, Target, and all your grocery store pharmacies, Safeway, Vons, Kroger's, Ralph's. You're going to be able to take this program and you're going to save a great deal of money. You can save between 10 and 85% on most brand name and generic prescriptions. Save on over-the-counter medications, smoking cessations and aids, and diabetes supplies. We even have a mail-order pharmacy that you can even save more. Some people, for what it costs them normally for 1 month, they can get up to 90-day supply. I've seen people really reduce the cost of their prescriptions if it's something they take every single month and they go through that mail order. So you can see, just take a look at some of these, like if you just look at oxyflexin, instead of $74, it's only $10. For the Cinepril, which is $91.70 retail cost, is only $19.10. Because this is a great program if you use it as a supplement or if you don't have a program for prescriptions. Now, our vision plan is accepted in more than 12,000 optical providers. Save up to 20 to 60% on all frames, lens, tints, scratch-resistant coatings, and even the ultraviolet protection. You can save from 10 to 50% on ophthalmology, eye exams, and LASIK surgery. Yes, we have LASIK surgery. Save up to 10 to 20% on contact lenses, excluding disposables at participating retail locations. And your savings can be from 10 to 40% on replacement contacts. You know, folks, I have glasses, and I like Nike's glasses. I didn't want to get the ones in the back of the showroom. I wanted the beautiful Chanel's. Now, they're expensive. They were $650, but with Ameriplan, I saved $300 on those frames, and my contacts, I save hundreds of dollars a year. And you know, if you get a pair of glasses and sometimes you go, oh my gosh, I don't know, what was I thinking? I didn't like those. We even have a way for you with 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee that you can take those back. Our chiropractic plan has more than 75,000 participating doctors. Free initial consultation, 50% savings on all diagnostic services and x-rays, and 30% on treatment and most other services, and there's no limit on the number of visits. You know, most chiropractic plans don't even get you but 6 to 12 visits in a year, and that's if you have one, but we know that most people don't. But we all have backs. So this whole plan with the dental, the vision, the prescription, and the chiropractic plan is only $19.95 a month. So let's go into how you get started. Now let's talk about how you get started as an Ameriplan member, because I know you want to take advantage. There's a one-time $20 registration fee, and that sets up your plan and it sends out your kit. And so you pay your first month of $19.95. How you get started as a member of Ameriplan, you're going to have the person that is working with you put their ID number up here, so they'll be able to help you. You're going to put your first name, your middle name, your last name, your birthday, whether you're male or female, your work or resident phone. You're going to put your mailing address, and then the city and the state, and you're going to list the people in your household. Now, if you have more than 3 people, you just add an additional sheet of paper and put their names and their information. So enrolling with Ameriplan is easy. All you need to do is decide if you want to do a bank drop or a credit card. With a bank drop, you enclose your check or payment and a voided check, and if you're paying monthly by bank drop. Then if it's a credit card or a debit card, it's Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, you just put the card number, make sure we can read it, and the expiration date, and all you need to do is sign it. And we'll send your cards out right away. Thank you for listening about the Ameriplan Great Dental Plus program. Don't miss out on your savings of hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for your family, like all of our other customers, where we've saved our customer base hundreds of millions of dollars. Get back to the person who got you on this webinar and sign up. Get started. Become a member. Thank you very much.